Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Allied High School channel. In today's class, science class, we'll do the activity which is on page number 37. Um, we have covered the unit 5, heat and light. Now, altogether, we'll do the activity. We'll read the statement first and you'll tell me either it's true or false. Alright, the first statement is about we can see in the dark. Yes or no? Can we see in the dark? No, we cannot see in the dark. Alright, the statement B is the moon gives light to the earth. Does it give light to the earth? Yes, it does give light to the earth. So it's yes. C, light helps us to see things. Does it help us to see things? Yes, light helps us to see things. We cannot see without light. Okay. Next statement is a candle gives out light. Yes, candle does give out light. So we'll tick here. Alright, statement E. Sunlight is made up of 5 colors. Is it true? No. In the previous lesson, we read that sunlight is made up of 7 colors. It makes rainbow. So it's not correct. It is made up of 7 colors. Fire gives us heat. Does it give us heat? Yes. Now, the statement G is we need heat to keep us warm. Exactly. We do need heat to keep us warm. So this activity, number 1 activity is completed. Now number 2, let's have a look on these colors, the colors of rainbow, the 7 colors of rainbow. We'll write the missing letters. The first one, which is starting with V, what it would be? Violet. Yes, so I E. The next one is indigo. N-O, indigo. C, it's blue. U. D, that's green. Yes, yellow. Great. Another one, orange. That's A, E. The last one is red. Good. Now you all have to complete this activity which is on page number 37 in your textbook. Now let's turn the page. Okay, this activity is about we need to write the names of 3 things through which light can pass. Let's imagine. Can light pass through wood? No. So what we will write here? Light can pass through air. We will write air. Okay. Another one. Light can pass through water? Yes, it can pass through water. C. Another one. We'll write the name of another thing through which light can pass. What it would be? Glass. Very good. Glass. Okay, another one we have this column we need to fill. We need to write the name of the things through light cannot pass. Alright, so the first one would be if you take a light or a torch and if you do it in front of the wooden box or cardboard, तो क्या light pass होगी? Just imagine. No, the light cannot pass through the cardboard. And it cannot pass through the wood. Yes. And it cannot pass through the rubber. Okay, you will fill it these blanks in your book, which is on page number 38. Okay, so the next question, which is question number 4 on page number 38, it's about name two things which gives us heat. So let's think about the two things which gives us heat. All right, the major source of heat is sun. So we'll write sun here. It does gives us heat. And let's think about another source of heat. That's fire. All right. Now, the question number 5 is about name two things which gives us light. Yes, moon gives us light, which is the natural source of light, and another one is bulb or candles. Thank you class. Now I would give you the homework. You will complete page number 37 and 38 in your books. Thank you.